Hey guys, in this video I'm exactly going to show you how to download Instagram Reels video. There is no separate option to download it on the platform of Instagram. You'll need to use a third-party website. So to download it, firstly let's get the link of the reel. Open up your Instagram. Now to copy any reel, all you need to do is tap on the share icon right here and then tap on copy link. Now the link has been copied. You can now open up a web browser, and in the search bar of the web browser you can search for instavideosave.net and hit search. After that you'll land on this website. Now from the sections right here you need to choose the Reels option. Tap on Reels and just paste the link that you just copied. Tap and hold the box and tap on paste and tap on download. After a few seconds the reel will be ready to download. Now you can tap on download video. Now the reel has been downloaded. You can open up your gallery. You'll be able to see that the reel has been now successfully downloaded. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.